In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the line font. If you use the Line messaging app and want your chats to be easier to read, the app makes it simple to adjust how big the text appears. Quick note before we start. At the moment, Line only lets you change the font size, not the font style. That means you can make text smaller or larger, but you can't switch to a different typeface. With that in mind, let's walk through the settings and get your chats looking just right. First, open the Line app on your phone or tablet. Give it a second to load, especially if you haven't opened it in a while. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log into your account so you can access your settings. If you've enabled additional verification, just complete that as usual. Once you're on the main screen, look for the settings icon. It's the small gear, typically in the top right corner of the app. Tap that to open the settings menu. Depending on your device or app version, the icon may be in a slightly different spot, but it's generally at the top of the screen. In the settings menu, scroll until you find the section labeled Chats. This is where Line keeps all the options related to conversations, including how messages are displayed. Tap Chats to open those options. Inside Chats, find the font size setting. Tap it and you'll see choices like small, medium, large, and extra large. Medium is the default for many users, but if you're finding messages hard to read, try large or extra large. If you want to fit more text on the screen, choose small. As you change the size, Line usually shows a preview so you can see what your messages will look like before you confirm. After selecting the size that feels comfortable, back out to your chats and skim a recent conversation to confirm everything looks good. Larger sizes can make long messages easier to read, while smaller sizes can reduce scrolling. Keep in mind that this setting affects text inside Line, not the overall device font, and it won't change the style of system menus. If you don't see the font size option, make sure your app is up to date, and be aware that some devices have system font settings that can influence apps. Updating usually restores the in-app option. That's all you need to do. Enjoy a more comfortable reading experience in Line with the font size that suits you best.